Determine the location of the mark on the outer jacket. Cut the outer jacket below the location of the base plate of the cable box based on the cable gland dimensions. Store the heat shrink tube over the cable. Remove the outer jacket and the armor by measuring the length against the base plate of the cable box. Remove the water blocking tape up to the armor. Remove the inner jacket with the filler of the cable based on the dimensions of the cable box. Remove the outer jacket of the cable up to the jacket cut mark. Remove the copper tape screen as per shown in the instructions. Fold back the copper screen wires over the outer jacket, leaving 2 wires to be connected to the grounding eye of the stress cone later. Insert the cable cores in the cable box. Fix the armor and the copper screen wires with the cable gland. Install the trifurcating glove and shrink uniformly. Fix the copper lugs to the bus bar temporarily. Measure the distance from the base plate up to the bus bar for each core and cut the extra length. Insert the first heat shrink tube up to the trifurcating glove and shrink it. Then store the second tube over the first tube without shrinking. Remove the outer semiconductive layer of the cable as per shown in the instructions. Remove all core insulation from the end of the conductor as per dimensions shown in the instructions. Bevel the insulation edge. Make a mark by wrapping a PVC tape at a fixed distance of 26 millimeters from outer semiconductor edge, which will be the position of the stress cone later. Apply one PVC tape layer on the ends of the conductor for a long-sided cable to ensure safe sliding of the housing. Clean the insulation surface for each core of the cable with cleaning solvent and clean wiper. Be sure that there is no scratch or defect in the insulation layer. Apply silicone lubricant to the cable installation and to inside of the stress cone. Slide the stress cone down on the cable by pushing and slightly twisting it. The base of the stress cone must align with the beginning of the PVC tape mark done before. Lubricate inside of the module and slide module sections one at a time down on the cable by pushing and slightly twisting it. The base of the first module must overlap the sealing diameter of the stress cone and also between the modules. Remove the PVC tape on the ends of the conductor for long-sided cable. Insert the conductor core into the copper lug. Crimp the lug to the conductor. Make sure that the conductor is bottomed in the lug. Wrap void sealant lug's mastic tape starting from the lug edge to the last module. Fix the copper screen wire at its grounding eye of stress cone. Pull back the second heat shrink tube to cover the edge of stress cone and shrink it uniformly. Pull back the last heat shrink tube to cover the cable gland and shrink it uniformly. The termination is now complete and ready for energization.